During the pandemic, timeshare members are being charged full annual fees, despite resorts being closed to guests. In 2020, even loyal customers are seeing this as a monumental act of selfishness. It's clearly not right, says Marriott Vacation Club owner John House. Yes, there's a pandemic, so we understand they can't open, but demanding full annual fees is profiteering. Times are tough. Nobody can afford to pay for things they don't get. Marriott are taking advantage of this pandemic to line their pockets. It's sharp practice. Marriott, like most timeshare companies, are offering double holidays to their clients next year instead of a refund on their maintenance fees this year. Obviously, they can't deliver on that, explains John. They don't have enough rooms to give every member double holidays next year. European timeshare companies pull in around £2 billion a year in maintenance fees. The Timeshare Consumer Association is seeing a mass exodus from timeshare users because of the decision to charge full fees during the pandemic. For advice on how to get free from timeshare ownership, contact us at the Timeshare Consumer Association.